ladies, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So on today's video, I am so excited because we're going to be doing a little unboxing. So I did order me some raw Cambodian curly wave hair, and I just wanted to go through with you guys what to expect when you receive your package in the mail, and also we're going to be doing an initial Cowash routine. So let's get into it. Today we're going to be talking about what to expect when you receive your raw Cambodian curly wave bundles in the mail. So I'm going to go ahead and get into the unpackaging. Okay. Cute! I love it. Our fulfillment team did so amazing packaging these, y'all. They put so much work into this, you have no idea. So it's super cute packaging. So let's go ahead and open these. Okay, so inside your package you do have a thank you from our CEO. On the back of your thank you card, there are going to be hair care tips. Ladies, I highly recommend scanning this and going to the care tips on the website so you can be fully informed on how to protect your investment so that it lasts for years. So this is definitely helpful. Be sure to go ahead and read through these. And then we have our bundles. So, ooh, this is the fun part. I love getting here in the mail, y'all. Oh my gosh. I'm excited. So, perfect. So inside of your satin baggie, you will receive a product card. This always has what item you receive. So this is curly wave 24 inches. So it says that CW24. And then for your curly wave hair, it is netted. So let's go ahead and unnet her. Okay, she's looking good. You guys, I just want to say it is completely normal when you receive your curly wave bundles. They may be just a little disheveled from being in transit, and then also be a little disheveled just from being wrapped around the way that they have to be wrapped around when we are packaging them. So they do tend to look, just a little bit disheveled when you receive them. However, I'm going to show you how to get them beautiful in the initial Cowash routine today. In my initial impression of the hair, it's actually very soft. Now the raw Cambodian curly wave hair is going to be a more coarse texture, similar to like type 4 hair. So it's very natural, but ladies, it's still super soft to touch and it's beautiful. The bundles smell amazing, so that's good as well. They smell like really good. And I'm excited to get into this. So let's go ahead and open the rest of them, and then we're gonna get into the initial Cowash. Okay, so now I'm going to show you all how to get from this to this with an initial Cowash, so stay tuned for that. But before we get into that, I did want to go ahead and show you all the difference between the dark color option and the brown color option. So this is our black color option here, and this is our brown color option. Now it's kind of hard to tell when they're not side by side, so I'm going to show you a side by side comparison. But as you can see, that brown color option is just slightly lighter, we do definitely recommend doing the brown color option if you're planning on dyeing your hair to a lighter tone. So it's going to be an easier base to start off with for anybody that does want to go to like a blonde color. Saturate your bundle in water. And now I'm going to take a hydrating conditioner. You can use any conditioner of choice. Just make sure it has natural ingredients. And you're going to lather your bundle in conditioner. The hair loves conditioner, so you can never use too much. After the hair is fully saturated in water and conditioner, you're going to begin brushing it from the ends and working your way up to the root. Now, when brushing, it is going to be super important that you make sure that you are dispersing that product even. Now, once it's fully brushed through, I like to go ahead and scrunch. And then I'm just going to lay her down and let this conditioner sit on here for about 45 minutes to an hour. And then I'll be back. So I'm back after about an hour, and I'm going to go ahead and begin the rinse process. So when I rinse, I do like to rinse this fully just because it is prior to install. So before that install, you do want to rinse it fully. And then you're going to go ahead and do another brush through. I always like to brush as I'm rinsing as well, just keeping that bundle fully detangled. And then you can also see that as I'm rinsing, I like to do this scrunching motion as well, just to really help those curls to form. And then I go ahead and I do one more brush through. And then I'm going to scrunch the bundle on either side, just making sure those curls are super defined. And voila, you are done. So after that, you're just gonna lay her down to dry in preparation for your appointment. Okay, ladies, so these are what my bundles are looking like after that co-wash. So they are beautiful, defined. Look at those defined waves. And then it goes down into these beautiful ringlets at the bottom. This hair is absolutely beautiful. It feels so soft. I am so excited to install my bundles. So now I'm gonna go ahead and get these installed. Make sure you stay tuned for the next video, because after I get them installed, I'm gonna come and show you guys how to style them once they're in your hair.